My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your regular presenter for First State Immigrant Solution. When I no vex say I no fit come since all this while, I no come dey drop video as I first dey drop before, based on say we know say the children don still start school, and the way they still dey enter school now because of this coronavirus, e come still dey take much time, and our work come still dey take our time too. So because of the love wey I still get for my own viewer, anytime wey una still take ask me question, I still try still squeeze my own time, still go find the information, make sure say I cook the information, say the information genuine before I come drop am for this channel, because we no just dey drop anyhow video. They say food wey sweet na money kill am. So if una want video wey you know say the video is done well, una make sure say una still bear with me, because of say the time wey I still take get chance, I still make sure say I still come out, come still drop video, because I know so una important well, and I make am say I take time take cook this story wey my viewers dey ask me since then, say they be get UN refugee, they don grant them, but they be wan do marriage, they fit no let them go their consulate or embassy for country where they for take chop aduru. How they take waka? They just live like that, say make dem no do marriage? No. Na make am say now go tell my viewers say make dem first chill, and dey cook the story. Now the story don done. A lot of papers wey I bring together, the many for here wey I take dey cook the story. So now say make I come bring am, because together, because the thing many, I say make I come use this video, come compress am together, make I come drop am for this channel, so that any other question wey una no still understand concerning this video, una still call me for my number. Una know where I dey call for this channel every time. I will still repeat am again now, wey be 35101230225. Now that one be my number wey dem take dey reach me. So the topic of today wey make me say make I come be say, I say make I come shook my mouth for the question wey a lot of my viewers dey ask concerning a political asylum. How do fit take marry? Where do forget nulla osta for marriage or for matrimony? How do take waka if you know say you wan marry for Italy? How you go take waka? How the thing take dey play? Now say make I come shook my mouth put at the thing take dey hot so, because this story when e don tell where I dey cook am, because of time as I first talk just now, una no vex say I no quick come drop am, because food wey sweet na money kill am. So information wey you know say e strong well, you understand, una still bear with me, so that may I fit take gather the information, may I come knack am at the thing take dey be for Italy. So according to those people wey know say they get refugee status, wey dem dey call UN, people dey call am aduro. The real aduro people na people wey dem know say they grant for commission for court under the conventional law for 28th of July 1951. na Geneva, na there be the place where they for sign that UN law. If you know say you dey under that UN law wey they give you 5 years with UN passport, na the people na they say they will fit give this marriage clearance wey they call nulla osta for matrimony. If you know say you dey this category, una open una ear wide, una take lis ten to this story wey I wan knack. So na 14 be the document wey they need. Na ABCD or 1 2 3 4. One of the document wey they need be say they need document wey e get you wey they call acto di norietà. This acto di norietà na be the deed of notoriety. This deed of notoriety na be the thing wey talk say you bring 2 testimony, you present yourself for in front of judge or court. They no be the one, they no wan ask you question again concerning your story. No, now just to bring 2 person wey know say no relate to you, wey say that he know you for a while now, since wey you take enter Italy now, say you be good person, you never felt married before, and you be single and you get good character, and the person go still get document. If those two persons testify wey dem dey call witness for front of court, the court go give you document wey go carry the letter headed paper wey I go just display this auto de notariety. Now e no show well, but you see am say be like say e change upside down. So this auto de notariety now na im be the document wey court go give you with two testimony. They need this document in original, so na be the number one document wey they need before you fit get that paper. If you no still get this auto de notariety, you fit still go Comu. If you go Comu, you tell them say make dem give you this form wey dem dey call dichiarazione sostitutiva. So this dichiarazione sostitutiva, may I check am out that I fit get the focal point. This dichiarazione sostitutiva di atto di notorietà. E be like say the camera no fit get. Okay, the dichiarazione sostitutiva di atto di notorietà, una see am so be like say the thing no fit stay well. May I fit get the focal. Okay, so this atto di notorietà na be the thing wey you fit still get for Comu. Wey they call dichiarazione sostitutiva di atto di notorietà. If you still get am for Comu, you fill am. After you don't fill am, then the content of the auto de notarietà, you must know that you dey free and you never felt married for year or outside Italy before. After you don't get the paper, you carry am go prefettura, whether they call government house or prefecture, as the case may be. Then they say you want authenticate am or legalize that document. After you don't legalize am, you go send am among the document wey you send in original to UN office, which is United Nations for High Commission for Refugee Office for Roma, which the address I go see let us know the address. Now the address na im dey play for via Leopardi 24 00185 Roma. Now that one be the postal code 00185 Roma. So I go still pin am for this video so that more still know how the thing dey play. Another document wey they still need na the decision of court or commission wey they take grant you this refugee status. They need am too. If you get that one, you get a copy of that one. See, add and join the document. They still need your photocopy of your permit of stay. You must make sure say e dey valid. One thing wey I forget be say the atto di notorietà, make sure say when you do am, e dey less than 6 months from the day wey you do am before they'll take am. If it is more than 6 months, you go repeat am again, make you do am again with two testimony. So it must be less than 6 months. The state for the things wey you know say they'll take. Then lastly, na person wey you know say you wan marry, you make sure say you get the document of that person wey you know say you wan marry. If you get UN, you be man, and you wan marry woman wey you know say she no get UN, make sure say you get the document of that person. You send am to her. If the person no get document, make sure say you get passport. If you no get passport, get permit of stay. If you no get permit of stay, you get carta identità or any other valid document wey you know say e talk say na that one be the woman wey you wan marry, so that make dem still add am to the document wey you go send to the UNHCR. So this document, so na be the document wey they need. These 4 documents: 1, atto di notorietà or dichiarazione sostitutiva for atto di notorietà, which is D of notoriety or substitute declaration wey state that wey you fit do for Comu, state that you never felt married before. 2, na the commission or the court decision wey they talk say wey they take give you document to send down to them. After you don send that one to them, you still make sure say send a valid document, permit of stay, send down to them. You still send the document of the spouse or the person wey you wan marry. So after you don get this one, they say na only person wey get UN na be the people wey dem dey give this marriage clearance because of say dem get difficulties to go to their embassy or their consulate for where dem for take chop aduro. So if dem get these difficulties to go to their consulate, or anybody wey know say e have these difficulties to go to the consulate of origin, dem fit apply and make sure say go get UN as I first talk before. Then another thing again, what about those people wey know say get subsidiary protection, they get special cases protection, or they get humanitarian protection, or they get other protection wey be outside United Nations protection, which is wey be UN. So those people, wetin they'll do now, let you know now. For those kind of people wey know say they no fit get this nulla osta, so they fit by themselves see go court with two testimony to go get this auto de notoriety or auto de notorieta or D of notoriety with two testimony, or you fit still go commune with substitutiva declarazione di auto de notorietà with two testimony, stating that the person never felt married before for year and outside this place. Then you go legalize am, you carry am go commune like that. If they still refuse and say they not take for marriage, for civil marriage session for commune, you go back, you go make an appeal to court, may they grant you the right for you to marry for Italy. After you don't make an appeal to court, if the court don't grant the appeal, they will give you back this document where you fit marry for commune. So after you don't get all these documents for that of UN wey be refugee people, so make sure say either you send or you scan this document to their email wey be unhcr@pec.it. Either you send them to them with your own address and your phone number where you fit receive the marriage clearance if they don't do one. And this marriage clearance, so for UN office, is free. So they will send the document to you, or if you still post them all these documents, so where I thought so you fit envelope them, post them to their own address where I first talk before, where be Via Leopardi 24, and the postal code na 00185 for Roma. Then you still write your phone number and your address where you take receive am. Then from there, once they don't receive am, and if all these documents where I don't mention, that 4 documents you get them, they will send this marriage clearance to you. Once you get this marriage clearance for your hand as a refugee, make sure say you go prefectura, go legalize them. If you don't legalize them, they will put stamp, they authenticate the document. Then if you present them to marriage office for commune where you want to do marriage. So now that one be the document where they need, how the thing take place. So for those people who know say they find this video they useful, make sure say you share them. And for further information, if you still want me, you see contact the UN office for Roma, you fit still contact them for +39 06 80 21 2121. You fit still contact them for there. Or you fit still send the email at unhcr@pec.it. So if you get all these documents where I don't explain so far, after you don't legalize the auto de notorietà or auto de authenticate the substitute the declaration for auto de notorietà, then you send them to them. They will give you this clearance. So for those people wey know say you go fit apply for this document where I talk so, they say na only political asylum. For those people wey still find am difficult, if you know say you be asylum seeker or you get any other protection outside political asylum, if your country of your embassy or your consulate say they no give you, so you fit still go through court. If court give you auto di notorietà, you carry that one go Comu, and from there Comu, if they refuse, you go back to court again, go make an appeal, so that they go fit allow you do marriage without this document. But for those people wey know say be UN, that one na compulsory. They must give you if you get this 4 documents wey I mention so far. One, the auto di notorietà na court that they for dey do that one, or you fit do the one from Comu by taking a form wey they call Dichiarazione sostitutiva di auto di notorietà. You fill the form, then you declare that you never felt married for a year and outside Italy before. Then you sign, and the person in a way dey that Comu go still put their stamp. You go legalize am. With that one, you fit still send am as in place of auto di notorietà. You must make sure say this document, the day wey they sign am, e dey less than 6 months before e reach their hand. If it is more than 6 months, they no go accept am. You will need to still do am again. After you don get all these documents, you send am to that their address via Leopardi 24 00185 Roma by post. You envelope and post am. You make sure say you address am where you want for receive am with your phone number, so that if the thing don ready, they will post am to you. Because the cost, if you be UN, na free, so they no dey collect any money from you. So now I say make I come make sure say I drop this video. If in case if you still find any other thing say you no understand for this video, call me for 351-012-3025 so that I'll fit explain in details. So make sure say una still share this video to una loved ones. As I first talk before, more than not say I not first see dey come as before again, but from time to time I'll still try make I try my best, make I still drop some video so that my viewers more than still share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Una bye bye till we see again. Ciao.